means myself, Dihona Jabal. Today I am here to explain you about area of a triangle. So basically a triangle has three sides depending on the triangle which it is. Now to find area of a triangle, the formula we are going to use is half multiplied by base multiplied by height. So let's see an example. So in this triangle, the base is 12 cm and the height is 4 cm. Now let's solve it. So first we write the formula, which is half multiplied by base multiplied by height. Now let's substitute the values we have. Half multiplied by base we have is 12 cm and the height we have 4 cm. Now let's solve it. 2 ones are 2 and 2 sixes are 12. Now let's multiply this two. 6 fours are 24 centimeter square. Now the answer we got is 24 centimeter square. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Ajay Rathore. Today's topic is visualizing solid shape. We have wondered that building, compass box, water bottles are of various shape and common feature. Let's learn various type of 2D shape. First one is square, second is rectangle, third is circle and fourth is trapezium, fifth is parallelogram. In this topic we explore more about 2D and 3D shape. In that also there are three main points known as vertices, edges and faces. First we will take vertices. The eight corners of a cube are its vertices. Second we will take edges. The cube has 12 edges as shown in adjoining figure. Faces. The six flat surfaces that form a cube are called its faces. For example, we will take first cone. Cone has example of birthday cap and ice cream cone. Second, we will take cube. Cube has example of rice and ice cream. Third, sphere. Sphere has football and globe. Fourth, cylinder. Cylinder has gas cylinder. Cuboid. Cuboid has a matchbox. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Vipul Ashok Sutar. Today I will explain lines of symmetries of some regular polygons, transitional symmetries, and line symmetries and reflection. First we will see lines of symmetries of some regular polygons. We know a polygon is a closed figure formed by line segment joining only at the end point. The minimum line segment required to make a polygon is 3, that is a triangle. A polygon made up of 4, 5 and 6 sides is known as quadrilateral, pentagon and hexagon. A polygon is said to be regular if its all sides are equal and angle are measured same. An equilateral triangle and a square are regular polygon of 3 and 4 sides. All regular polygons have multiple lines of symmetry. In fact, a regular polygon has as many lines of symmetries of number 8 sides. Let's verify it by some examples. First, an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle has 3 sides and 3 lines of symmetries. Each line of symmetry is the median of the triangle. Second, a square. A square has 4 sides and 4 lines of symmetries. And last, a regular pentagon. A regular pentagon has 5 lines and 5 lines of symmetries. Each line of symmetry is drawn perpendicular from vertex to the opposite. We can use polygon in our daily life, like if we see school benches or office table, it can be in any shape like rectangle, square or etc. If we go on road, we can see traffic light, it can be in any shape like square or rectangle. And transitional symmetry. In transitional, every point of a figure moves a same direction. In a transitional symmetry, every point of figure moves a same distance along a specific direction along the straight line. Like we can see the wallpaper, the patterns are repeated again and again. And last, line symmetries and reflection. A figure has line symmetries as if one of it is a mirror image of the another half. Thus, the line symmetry is also called reflection symmetry. We can use reflection symmetry in our daily life, like the half image of butterfly shown in the mirror. If we have put in the mirror, butterfly can show whole. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Adharma Ampardube and today I am going to explain you range, mean, median and mode. So firstly, I will explain you range. For understanding range, we have one formula, that is highest minus lowest. We have some random terms like 10, 26, 20, 10 and 46. So we have to find the highest term over here, that's 46. So here we will write the highest term first, then 46, and now we have to find the lowest term, that is 10, as you can see here. So 46 minus 10, the formula itself says that. Then 46 minus 10, we get 36. The answer is 36, means our range term is 36. So next I am going to explain you For example, this 20, 10, 26, 20, 10 and 46. We have to add them all, and then upon that, how many terms are there? We have to find that. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Means 5 terms are there, and then we have to add that. So firstly, and one more thing is there in mean, we have to arrange all the numbers in ascending order, means small to big. So we'll arrange in small to big, that is 10 plus 20 plus 26 plus 46 upon the number of terms we have, that's 5. So our answer will come like in cancellation we'll do, it's 1, 1, 2 upon 5. So the answer will not come, definitely the answer will come in point. So as you can see here, the answer is coming 22.4. So we got our mean, that is 22.4. Next up we have median. Median, to find median, we have to cancel the term from both the sides. There are two methods. First I'll tell you the first method. So we have to cancel the term from both the sides. Basically from one side from the left and another from the right. So when we'll cancel the terms from here, here and here, we got the last term, that is 20. So our median is 20. And the second method I am going to explain you that how many terms are there. First we have to coin that. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 terms are there. It is in odd. So we have to do plus 1. It will come in even. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 upon 2. So we have to find it. So we have to cancel the terms out. That's 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. So our third term, that's 20, is our answer. So the 20 is our median. Next up we have mode. Mode is nothing but the highest number of frequency occur in data is mode. So as you can see here, 10 has occurred 2 times here. So that is our mode. So basically our mode is 10. And today we have learned that about mean, median, mode, range. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Rishabh Prasad Patkar. Today's topic is area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth. Length means height and breadth means how broad the figure is. For example, cluster is in rectangle shape. Rectangle having two opposite sides equal and all angles of 90 degree. Let's solve an example. Length is equals to 5 cm and breadth is equals to 4 cm. So we have to use formula, that is length into breadth. So our next step is equals to 5 cm into 4 cm. So our answer is 20 cm square. The area of rectangle is 20 cm square. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Aditi Kothari. Today I am going to explain about perimeter of a square. The definition of perimeter is the length of the boundary of closed plane figure is called perimeter. And the definition of square is square has all sides equal and the angles are of 90 degree is called square. The formula of perimeter of square is side is equals 4 into side. So to find the perimeter of square whose side is 9 cm. So let's solve an example. So first we have to apply the formula. The formula is 4 into side. So the next step is we have to substitute the value, that is 9 multiplied by 4. So when we multiply 9 multiplied by 4, so our answer is 36 cm. So therefore the perimeter of square is 36 cm. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Divya Rajpuri. Today I am going to explain about perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter is the length of closed plane figure. The formula of perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into bracket length plus breadth. Let's see an example. So our question is length is equal to 12 meter and breadth is equal to 8 meter. First we will write the formula, that is 2 into bracket L plus B. L is the length and B is the breadth. We will put the values that are 12 plus 8. Now we will add, then our answer will give 20. So we want to multiply the sum, that is 20 and 2. So our answer will give 40 meter. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Drishna Sharma and my topic is area of square. Area. The area is the space inside it.
Square. A square has 4 equal sides. The formula of area of square is side into side or side square. So now let's see an example. So this is a square and each side is equals to 10 meter. So first we will put the formula, that is side into side. And then we will substitute the value, that is 10 into 10. And when we will multiply 10 into 10, we will get the area, that is 100 meter square. Thank you.
Hello friend, my name is Aradhya Pawar. My topic is perimeter of square. Square has all 4 sides equal to. Find perimeter of square. We will use the formula 4 into side. Now let's solve an example. Square has all 4 sides equal. Perimeter of square is equals to 4 into side is equals to 4 into 4. Now we will substitute the values. Answer is 60 centimeters. Thank you.
Hello friend, my name is Omkar Elisada. Today I am going to explain a topic on line symmetry. A figure has a line symmetry if it can be divided by lines into 2 equal halves. Each is the mirror image of the other. If the figure is folded about the line of symmetry, the 2 halves of the figure is confined. For example, leaf is having 1 line of symmetry and butterfly is having 1 line of symmetry. A line of symmetry is also known as axis of symmetry. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Samir Sandhya. Today my topic is on Red's pattern of 3D shapes. We will learn how some 3D shapes are visualized on 2D surfaces example paper. To learn more about 3D objects, first we have to learn more about 3D shapes. Before that, we have to understand what is the net pattern of net pattern. A net is a sort of skeleton outlining on which folding transform into 3D shapes. So net's pattern of 3D shapes are 6. But today we will learn only one, that is net pattern for 3D cube. This cube is having 12 edges, 6 faces and 8 vertices. So this is net pattern for a cube. After unfolding, it will transform into completely cube. So friends, today we have learned net's pattern of 3D shapes. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Srishti. Today I am excited to explain the concept of perimeter of a rectangle. A perimeter is the length of the boundary of a closed plane figure. A rectangle has 4 sides. In it, 2 sides are equal. So now I will give you one example of perimeter of a rectangle. This is a rectangle. The length of the rectangle is 100 cm and the breadth is 40 cm. Firstly, we have to know the formula. Formula of perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into bracket length plus breadth. 2 into bracket length plus breadth. We will put the values that are 100 plus 40. 100 plus 40 is 140. Now we have to multiply 140 by 2. Then we will get the answer. It's 280. So the answer is 280 centimeter. Thank you.
Hello friends, myself Suhana Nadab. Today I am going to explain you about area of rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides, each equal to 90 degrees. The formula of area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. Let's see an example. This is rectangle. The length of the rectangle is 8 cm and the breadth is 6 cm. Area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. Now we will apply our values. We have 8 multiplied by 6. Area of rectangle is equal to 8 6 are 48. 48 cm square. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Kaushal Prakash Patil. Today I am lecturing about line segment. A line segment has two lines of symmetry. The line laying and the segment on the perpendicular bisector of the angle, bisector of segment. And my second point is rhombus. A rhombus is symmetrical about the diagonal. Therefore, it has two lines of symmetry. And my third point is angle. An angle having equal arms has only one line of symmetry, the internal bisector of the angle. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Ravindra and my topic is symmetry. Listening the name of a symmetry, we know that the lines which are covered one part to equal distance. And from this topic, I will teach you three common shapes of this topic. First is rectangle. A rectangle has two lines of a symmetry, one vertical and another horizontal, each joining the midpoint of the opposite side. Seeing the figure of a rectangle, we can see in our day-to-day life there are many shapes like this, like board shape. In our day-to-day life, we can see a rectangle shape in many sizes, like board, door, and mostly building shape is also of a rectangle. And now my second topic is kite. A kite has a one line of a symmetry. It is a perpendicular bisector formed by intersection of a equal side. In Makar Sankranti, we fly a kite. Its name and shape is the same. And my last and third topic is half semicircle. A semicircle has a one line of a symmetry. It is a perpendicular bisector of a diameter on which it is drawn. In our compass, there is a diameter. No, there is a divider which shape is also of a semicircle and the half moon. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Vinay Gangaon and today's topic is squares and rectangles. Perimeter is the length of the boundary of a closed plane figure. Perimeter of rectangle 2 into bracket length plus breadth equals to 2 into bracket L plus B. Perimeter of square equals to 4 side equals to 4 into L. Area is the surface or region enclosed within a closed boundary. Area of a rectangle, length into breadth equals to L into B. Area is a square equals to side into side equals to L into L. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Rudra Kollingi. Today I am going to explain area of square. To find area of square, we have to use a formula that is side into side. The formula means that a square will be there and one side will be given. We have to find the other side of the square. So we have to understand the formula. For example, 4 cm is given. So to find it, we have to multiply 4 into 4 cm, that is 16 cm. In day-to-day life, we can see these types like a dice is there in Ludo, and for example, a 3D cubed. I will give you one more example, like 8 cm is given. We have to solve. The formula is side into side. So we have to multiply 8 into 8, that is 64 centimeter square. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Rudra and today's my topic is bar graph. In day-to-day life, bar graphs are used in many things like to measure the runs in the cricket matches and for stock market. Now we will see what is the definition of the bar graph. Bar graph is a pictorial representation of data by a rectangular uniform with equal spacing between them is called a bar. Now we will see what is the definition of the multiple bar graph. Bar graph which gives information more than one type side by side is called a multiple bar graph. Now we will see how to draw a bar graph. First we have to draw two perpendicular lines. One is horizontal line, also called as x-axis. and second is y-axis. And the origin, the intersecting point is called the origin point. On the horizontal axis, also called the x-axis, we can write their days, weeks, months, years, subjects, and etc. We have to select a suitable scale to determine the height of the vertical bar. For example, if 1200 people likes cricket, so 1 unit is equals to 200 people, so 6 unit is equals to 1200 people. Bar can be drawn as vertically as well as horizontally. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Ritesh Gangavani. Today I am going to explain a topic called area of a parallelogram. So first, formula is, that is, area of a parallelogram. For example, base into height. Our base is 8 cm and height is 4 cm. We have to multiply base into height. Answer is 32 centimeter square. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Dakshani. Today I am going to explain you probability. Probability is defined as the measure of likelihood of the occurrence of an event. There are some important terms used in probability. So first one is random experiment. An experiment whose all possible outcomes are known but the exact outcome cannot be predicted. For example, tossing a coin or throwing the dice. So second one is trial. Each time we perform an experiment is known as trial. Third one is sample space. Sample space is a list of all the outcomes of an experiment. So a coin is tossed once, the sample space consists of outcomes head, tail. The coin is tossed twice. The outcome consists of sample space head, head, tail, tail, head, tail, and tail, head. So random experimental probability. When a probability is defined as the measure of when a probability is determined by observing the outcomes is known as experimental probability. Head. The frequency of head is 7 and the frequency of tail is 3. Thank you.